Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Imagine playing your favorite Xbox 360 games with the familiar feel of your PlayStation 4 controller. It might sound impossible, but we are here to show you exactly how to achieve this impressive setup. Many gamers prefer the DualShock 4, and now you can bring that comfort to your older console. Get ready to transform your gaming experience, enjoying the best of both worlds without compromise. This simple method works reliably. Unfortunately, you cannot just plug your PlayStation 4 controller straight into an Xbox 360 console. These systems use entirely different proprietary technologies for their gamepads. Think of it like trying to speak two different languages without a translator. To bridge this communication gap, you will need a special piece of hardware. This device acts as an interpreter, converting your controller's signals into something the Xbox 360 understands perfectly. Choosing the correct adapter is absolutely critical for this process to work smoothly. Devices like the Brook Wingman XE or the more advanced Titan 2 are your best friends here. These specialized converters plug into your Xbox 360 and then accept your PlayStation 4 controller. They automatically handle all the signal translation, ensuring your buttons and joysticks respond exactly as they should. Invest in a quality adapter for the best experience. The connection process itself is surprisingly straightforward once you have your adapter ready. First, plug your chosen adapter securely into any available USB port on your Xbox 360 console. Next, take your PlayStation 4 controller and connect it to the adapter using a standard USB cable. Most adapters are truly plug-and-play, but always check for firmware updates beforehand. This ensures everything works seamlessly and without any frustrating hiccups. For the best possible experience, remember a few pro tips. Regularly check the manufacturer's website for any firmware updates for your adapter. This keeps it compatible with future console or controller revisions. While most buttons will map automatically, some niche games might benefit from custom remapping, which is often possible through the adapter's accompanying PC software. Now, you are fully equipped to enjoy your favorite Xbox 360 games with the superior comfort and precision of your PlayStation 4 controller. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.